Yes, beta. Done that much?
The next step. On the tip, you will make some dots and make the hairs.
Okay, we are making first. We are making this. This is this is actually this is lion, not tiger, but like this. Okay, so now we can create this one. Okay, one, and here you can do this. See, this is like this one, two, and join with this. See, this is circle you draw before. Join like this. Okay. So this character name is okay. Kura, Kopa, Kaira, Kion, Kali, Kila. All those are character. Yes, beta. Please show beta. Please. Okay. Wow, very nice. Very nice, beta. It's really yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. Devanshi. Very good. So now we can make the hair the ear. Okay. The very good, beta. It's very nice. I like that. Uh, we are creating the ear. Okay, from here the nose, eyes, and ear the same position. So create the ear like this. Okay, one eyes. Yeah, yeah, sure. Mouth, right? After the nose, you just draw the one line. Very nice. You draw a line and then make it one, two, like one, two, three, like this is this nose. Okay, simple. Try. You can do it. And here one, two, three, one, two, three, like this. Aram se take time. So, so what I do the next first step, I making the circle and this line. Okay, this is the first step, and then the ear. This big ear parts. Okay, this is the first step one. Step two, we are doing this. Okay, we are apply nose. Okay, nose. Okay, and then eyes here. So I can show over here nose and eyes level is that here. Okay, nose, eyes. Okay, yeah, here is the eyes. So you can create this line, the one oval line, right? This is I can create like the big eyes. I draw one tiger or cheetah. Okay, so create like this one. Okay, and here make it another line. This one, two, and this line you can make it little darker. Okay, like this, and here you can create one oval. Okay, if anywhere you are facing problem, then you can tell me. Okay. Like this. Okay, here. This is first make. Okay, and another, no need to see, here you can see another ear. Okay, once more. This is one ear, and here you can see another once more ear. Okay.
So,
Yes, yes, beta.
why today you are only taking
Yeah, after that we are doing crayon. Two drawing, one color. I today am doing. Yeah, we do two drawing, sketching, and one color. After that, one color I show you. We have a time to draw color, beta. Okay. So now after that you are. Okay. Now is echoing. Okay, so now I just here we can create something. No, I show you. Here you can add something like this. Oh my god. Okay, you can add something here, two lines like this. Here, okay, this is some. Okay, you can add something like this. This is some cheetah kind of. Okay, so you can create cheetah. This is. So you can make the shading.